stop anytime. Stop, alright, please remember this card. This is 6 of hearts. And now snap my finger and change ace of clubs. No, it's 6 of. Alright, look, I repeat, I take 1 cards. Maybe my cards 2 of hearts. Snap my finger and change 9 of hearts because it's double. Stop, alright, I take 1 cards. Maybe your cards ace of clubs. Ace of clubs, put her like this. Snap my finger and ace of clubs jump top of the deck. It's really crazy card technique, let's learn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really clever, nice card technique because this is nice double lift. Double lift, it's really crazy card technique, and now I teach this really nice method. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, and of course subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Right, for this double lift you take this deck like this, and next step you have this finger take 2 cards. Look, 1, 2. You take these 2 cards, and next step you take these 2 cards and turn over 2 cards like this. This is 2 cards. Look, take 2 cards and move it like this and turn over. Right? Look, I repeat, take 2 cards, turn over and show it. Right? This is 2 cards. It's really easy. Take 2 cards, turn over. Take 2 cards, turn over. It's really easy. Look, I repeat slow-mo. This is 2 cards. It's really easy move. Take 2 cards, right? Look, turn over and show it. Right? This is 2 cards. It's really easy. Look, I repeat, take 2 cards, turn over. Alright, it's 2 cards. And next step, you use this finger, move it like this. You make a snap, right? Snap. It's really crazy. Look, turn over and snap. I repeat, take 2 cards, turn over and snap. And next step, you turn over these 2 cards, alright, like this, and drop it this deck. Alright, I repeat, look, you count 2 cards, turn over, snap, turn over and drop it. Of course this is 2 cards. Alright, it's really easy. Take 2 cards, alright, turn over, snap, turn over and drop it. Alright, and next step, you use this finger, take 2 cards and move it like this. It's really easy move. Look, you use this finger, take 2 cards and next step you move it like this. It's really easy. It's really nice card technique move, right? Look, I repeat, take 2 cards, turn over, snap, turn over, take 2 cards and move it like this. Like this. So I repeat, take 2 cards, turn over, snap, turn over, show it, turn over, put in her, snap, and your cards jump top of the deck. It's really crazy card technique because you show it 6 of spades, drop it, snap your finger and change 4 hearts and change 6 of spades. It's really amazing card move. Thanks for watching my video. See you later.